Hey, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean the soap drawer of your LG washing machine. Now, in most of these, you might look at this and see that this is a different model to the one you have. Don't worry, because these principles will carry over across to all different models of LG washing machines. So we'll be going through together how to clean it and keep it nice and clean. Because sometimes when you open it, you have a look and it's all glunky and there's a lot of leftover washing powder and leftover washing liquid, which doesn't look good and give a good wash result. So what we're gonna do in this episode, we're gonna clean that and make sure that it's nice and clean. And hey, I post a lot of videos on how to clean and maintain these washing machines, and also how to fix any problems or faults that you get in the future with these washing machines. So be sure to hit that subscribe button or that like button and have me saved in your inbox, and that way if something comes up in the future, I'll be sure to have a fix just for you and be able to save you money and time and a lot of headaches. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's a pretty simple process. What you're gonna need is a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, and a bucket of warm soapy water, and this will take care of that problem for us. So we're going to clean that whole drawer, that whole compartment just here, which is pretty easy to pull out, and this will take care of any mold that starts building up on your washing machine in that drawer. So if you're putting in too much washing powder or too much liquid, that will cause this problem, but don't worry, we'll sort it out in this episode. So let's jump right in. So on most LG washing machines, it's as simple as pulling out the soap drawer and pushing down on, there'll be a tab in there that you'll see that you just push down on, and then you pull as much as you can, and that way it frees it up, and then you can remove that and put it to the side. You can actually wash it outside the washing machine and it'll be nice and clean. But what we want to really focus on today is actually inside where the water comes out of, because that's the part that gets really dirty. Just so in there, this is inside there, this is where we want to be able to clean up and make sure that we get rid of any excess soap, excess liquids that get stuck in there. As you can see already, there's some soap in there that is left in there that you need to clean up. So with your toothbrush, you're going to want to clean up inside there. So you just take your toothbrush and then just start scrubbing in there with some soapy water, just going like that, dipping it in the water and just cleaning it up, because over time all that unused soap and all that unused liquid just clogs up in there, and before you know it, like, it's just a mess in there, and it's clogging up the lines that bring on the water, and also it's smelling a little bit, and then you find little flakes of black stuff on your clothes. When you wash, it's just that stuff peeling off. So you want to make sure you do this once every, say, 3 to 4 months, so that there's no buildup of soap in there. So to avoid this whole mess altogether, you want to make sure maybe that you're using liquid as your detergent and your softener, and you want to make sure that you're not putting in too much. You want to be putting in half a scoop or half a cap, and that will be enough to make sure that it goes away and not much of it stays in the washing machine. Now we'll just go back to our soap drawer. Most of the times you'll find out that this dispenser, which is your soap dispenser, so you put your washing powder in there or your liquid in there, your pre-wash in there, but then in here you've got your softener. And to clean that, you actually need to remove another bit from here, which is pretty simple to remove. That blue bit comes off. So to remove that, there'll be tabs at the back here, which you just pull out and pull out like that. So they just come out, and then now it's nice and open. And if you've got a garden hose, high pressure hose, you can just use it to clean it in there, and then it'll be nice and clean. Make sure you get this hole nice and clear, otherwise it'll be clogged up, and then the softener will just keep building up, and then that's why it will start getting dirty and messy in there. So that's about it. If you want to clean it, make sure you do it right, and then it should be good for a few more months, a few more years if you don't put in too much washing powder or too much liquid. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, cheers.